Okay, dumbbell complex 1. You can either have these as a standalone session, so we would do 6 sets of 6 reps, 6 exercises, and that would be a session if you haven't got much time. If you're new to training, you can space gaps between the exercises, so you can have a minute rest between exercises or 30 seconds. Or when you're more experienced, you can use this as part of a warm-up or at the end, once you've done barbell lifting. And the reason dumbbells are good is because you work unilaterally. Okay? And you can do them anywhere, so most gyms will have them. And you can start with a lightweight and build up from there. These exercises, high pull snatch, the first one. Look at my back position at the start there. So my back is flat, that's what we call back flat. So if I just stand up, stick my bum out a bit, and drop the weight below my chin. And when you do this exercise, come up to this position, and then go up on your toes. Okay? Not there and there. So feel like a Mexican wave. I'm going to lift my t-shirt up. That's what I do there. Okay? And a lot of these exercises, I'll come up into this position here. And that's to work so that my ankles, knees and hips are extended. So there's a straight line extension here, which translates to a lot of jumping or running movements. So that's why I like reinforcing this here. The parallel press, dumbbells facing this way, just down and up. Bend over row, again, like the high pull snatch this time. Bend over a bit more, and just pull up here and down. Squat jump, raise to armpits. Squat, jump, and cushion the landing. If your legs are going like this on landing, try that exercise without the weights. And then we finish, then you've got squat, push press here, okay, again fully extended, heels down and squat, up on your toes there. And then we finish with this high pull snatch in this position. Okay, so it's really important, good exercise for posture.